example. Factorize 6x square plus 17x plus 5 by splitting the middle term and by using the factor theorem. First, by splitting the middle term. 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is equal to 6x square plus 17 is equal to 2x plus 17x is equal to 2x plus 15x plus 5. From 6x square and 2x we take 2x common, remaining 3x plus 1. From 15x plus 5 we take 5 as common, remain 3x from 15x and 1 plus 1 remain 1 in 5 plus 5. So from these two terms 3x plus 1, 3x plus 1 common, 2x plus 5. So the product is 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5 by factor theorem. 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is equal to 6 into x square plus 17 by 6x plus 5 by 6 is equal to 6 into px. Here AB is equal to 5 by 6. So possibilities for A and B are plus minus half, plus minus 1 by 3, plus minus 5 by 3, plus minus 5 by 2, plus minus 1, etc. Px is equal to x square plus 17 by 6x plus 5 by 6. By trial, P 1 by 2 P half is equal to half square plus 17 by 6 into half plus 5 by 6. That is 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 17 by 12 plus 5 by 6, which is not equal to 0. Again we take by trial P minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1 the whole square of minus 1 by 3 plus 17 by 6 into minus 1 by 3 plus 5 by 6. Minus 1 by 3 whole square is 1 by 9 minus 17 by 18 plus 5 by 6. Here 9, 18, 6. LCM of 9, 18, 6 is 18. 18 divided by 9 is 2 into 1, 2. 18 divided by 18 is 1 into 17 minus 17. Plus 18 divided by 6 is 3. 3 into 5, 50. Here 2 plus 15, 17 minus 17 by 18. 17 minus 17 is 0 by 18. 0 by 18 is equal to 0. So P minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So x plus 1 by 3 is a factor of px. Next, similarly by trial P minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 5 by 2 the whole square of minus 5 by 2 plus 17 by 6 into minus 5 by 2 plus 5 by 6. The whole square of minus 5 by 2 is equal to 25 by 4 minus 17 minus 5 is minus 85 plus 17 into minus 5 is minus 85. 6 into 2 is 12 plus 5 by 6. Here 4, 6, 12. The LCM of 4, 6, 12 is 12. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 25 is 75 minus 12 divided by 12 is 1 into 85, 85 plus 12 divided by 6 is 2 into 5, 10. 75 plus 10 is 85 minus 85. 85 minus 85 is 0 by 12 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 by 2 is a factor of px. So 6x square plus 17x plus 5 is equal to x plus 1 by 3 into x plus 5 by 2. 6 into here x plus 1 by 3 LCM 3 3x plus 1. Here x plus 5 by 2 LCM 2 2x plus 5. 2 into 3 6 6 cancels out. 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. Here we see 6x square plus 5x plus 5 by factor theorem we get 3x plus 1 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. By splitting method we get 3x plus 1 into 2x plus 5. Same. Next example. Factorize y square minus 5y plus 6. Solution first by factor theorem. Let py is equal to y square minus 5y plus 6. The factor of 6 is equal to 1, 2, 3. P1 is equal to 1 square minus 5 into 1 plus 6. 1 minus 5 plus 6, that is 6 plus 1 7 minus 5 is equal to 2 is not equal to 0. Next P2, 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6. 2 square 4 minus 10 plus 6. 6 plus 4 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So y minus 2 is a factor of py. P3, 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 square is equal to 9 minus 5 into 3 15 plus 6. 9 plus 6 15 minus 15 is equal to 0. So y minus 3 is a factor of py. Therefore y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to y minus 2 into y minus 3. This is by factor theorem. Next, by splitting the middle term. Y square minus 5y plus 6. Y square minus 5y is minus 3y minus 2y plus 6. From y square minus 3y, taking y as common, remaining y square from y square y and from minus 3y minus 3. Next, from these two term, minus 2y plus 6, taking minus 2 as common, remaining minus 2y minus 2y from minus 2y y and from 6 minus 3. Minus y minus 3, y minus 3, taking common y minus 3, we have y minus 2. So its product is y square minus 5y plus 6 is equal to y minus 3 into y minus 2. It is by splitting method and same as by factor theorem. Next example. Factorize x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. Here solution. Px is equal to x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. The factors of minus 120 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 5, plus minus 6, plus minus 8, plus minus 10, plus minus 12, plus minus 15, plus minus 20, plus minus 24, plus minus 30, plus minus 60. By trial, P1 is equal to 1 cube minus 23 into 1 square plus 142 into 1 minus 120. 1 cube is 1 minus 23 into 1 square, that is 23, plus 140 into 1 142 into 1 142 minus 120. 140 plus 1 142 plus 1 143 minus 23 minus 120 minus 143. 143 minus 143 is equal to 0. So P1 is equal to 0. So x minus 1 is a factor of Px. Now x cube minus 23x square plus 142x minus 120. We solve this by splitting method. Splitting the middle, x cube minus 23x square, x square minus 22x square, 142x, 22x plus 120x plus 120. From x cube minus x square into x minus 1. From minus 22x square plus 22x minus 22x into x minus 1 plus 120x minus 120x minus 120 into x minus 1. From these three terms, x minus 1 common, x square minus 22x plus 120. Now x square minus 22x plus 120. We solve this by splitting middle term. X square 22x 22, we can write 22x as minus 12 minus 22x as minus 12x minus 10x plus 120. From x square minus 12x, we take x as common, remaining x minus 12 minus 10x plus 120 minus 10 into x minus 12. X into x minus 12 minus 10 into x minus 12. Taking x minus 12 as common, x minus 10, that is x minus 12 into x minus 10. So x cube minus 23x square minus 142x minus 120 is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 10 into x minus 12. That completed your exercise 2.4. That's all for today.